Hey everyone. Hello, 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 hello. How we doing? What's up, Trader CL? What's up, brother? What about you? What about you, man? How you doing? How we doing today? It's a good day to have a good day, no? That's a good morning. It's sunny. Hello, Balance Beads. Hello, Kundai. How are you doing today, guys? Are you in a trade already or not? Please let me know. Kindly let me know. Hey, if looks good. If doesn't look that bad. We're gonna check. Hello, Baka. What's up, Baka? Hello, Arthur. Good, good. It's Friday. My ADA got saved, even though I thought it were going to nuke. You know what? Yesterday I had my alerts popping on ADA, and I was like, Trader CL should have listened to me. And I said it'd go lower. So I thought about you, and I was like, hopefully it didn't get stopped out. It was not. It was not that violent. It was not that violent. No trades, but would love to have a nice new niece when I get her some nice things. But Kundai, you're in the Discord, no? So did you take the trades that I shared yesterday? Some of them are in good profits now, especially BTC. We got limit orders filled on the move here. So, and we got TP1, close to TP2, unfortunately. $300 away from the second TP. S&P is doing so well, like really well. I did not get stopped out. Nice. I took a small size XRP. Same. But I have a feeling we might go a little lower. I would have the same feeling, to be honest, but considering what S&P is doing. Osbrah, if you have time today, can you explain how to use your VWAP indicator? You have to understand that the VWAP indicator, like its name says, it's based on volume, okay? Unlike EMAs, okay? EMAs is based on the average price within a certain period of time, okay? The VWAP is based off volume, okay? So the best way to use it is to combine with some volume profile indicator, in my opinion. Okay, as you can see here on ETH, for example, if we switch to H1, okay, you see you have the different colors. It's messy because I like it like that, but you can change everything. Okay, you can change absolutely everything. So you have the weekly and the daily VWAP. So the weekly I will use black, I think. Yeah, black is good. Daily VWAP I will use the yeah, gray is fine. Now monthly I will use black, and weekly I will use blue. Okay, so basically what you can see here, if we combine, if you combine a volume profile indicator and a volume weighted average price, okay, this is the main difference between VWAP and EMA. The EMA is, as I said, is the price averaged with the time, and the VWAP is the price averaged with the volume. Okay, so what you notice, we had volume profile here. The most important one here is the blue line. Okay, the blue line is the weekly one, and you have a high volume node. Okay, it goes from there to there. Okay, so you can use the weekly VWAP indicator to keep in mind that as long as the price remains above this area, this is bullish, and if we get below plus below this area, this is bearish. Okay, so for now you see the price, it's H1, but if you look at H4, the price stayed above. Okay, it stayed above that high volume node right here. Okay, look, the wick is just here. Okay, and as I said a couple times on stream, I like volume indicator, so try to learn with it. We can also check the monthly VWAP. Do we have confidence? We don't have confidence with the volume profile indicator yet. And if we use the fixed range volume profile, actually we have, you see the value area low being aligned with the monthly VWAP. Okay, so you can keep in your mind, but if the price comes back down to 2300, the monthly VWAP is going to catch up a little bit by the time, okay, and you will have the value area high plus the value area low plus the monthly VWAP. Okay, so you have a concentration of volume, and also here the thing that is interesting to notice is that we have a point of control. Okay, so high volume, a lot of volume, plus the weekly VWAP. Okay. It's easy to read, but I talked a lot about it now, but it's because I want you to understand what it is. Otherwise, you just have a lot of indicators and you don't really know what it is. It's better, in my opinion, to understand what you are using. Maybe I should make a video explaining the difference between VWAP and EMAs. So we check ADA. Okay, I'll make that video this weekend. I have a new video editor, so I need to give him some work. Let me know in the chat, guys, what kind of video would you like to have? Because this weekend I am free. I'm completely free this weekend, so if I can do videos, it would be nice. People put in all kinds of indicators, forgetting that the chart should be as clean as possible. Exactly. I always say the chart is like your desk when you work. You know, when you work at the office, you like to have a clean desk. So when you work on a chart, you have to like a clean chart. So basically, this big pump surge on the daily VWAP, I guess, is just a big trading volume. Yeah, exactly. Because you see the line here, for example. No, this is the EMA. If we look at EMA, at VWAP, sorry. You see, this is according to the volume. This is what the average price should be. Okay? And now we had a pump, you see on H4. We had a pixel perfect retest on the... It looks really obvious when you look with on H4. You have the session and the weekly VWAP, and you have the high volume node right here. It makes it more obvious. I think you should just make stuff you think will be easy to digest for everyone, and maybe think what you wanted when you were on the up and coming, but excited for the video drop. Yeah, this is why I don't do that much videos, because I try to do videos that I really think can be useful for people, you know, and not just video to make videos. ADA. Alright, ADA looks clean though. ADA looks really clean. Hello outsider, hope you're okay. I'm really good. What about you, man? Really good. What about you? Let me know. ADA looks clean because we had the break of structure here, then the pullback, retest. Pretty sure we might have, wait, I need to check this. We might have fibs as well. 0.5, yep. I think we'll test the red line on ADA. The red line is the point of control, so yeah, we could, and we have the OT as well. I would be interested to buy. Ready to short SMP? SMP is a bit tricky, man, because it's either here. Okay, it's either we reject from here. Okay, or we go for a new all-time high. it looks ready, man. It really looks ready. So it's a bit tricky to short SMP now. Really tricky. Maybe Nasdaq we can have a look. Where is the deck? Oh wait. Still doubts of we do, but we could 3 drive on ETH before dropping. Yeah, we're gonna check. I longed XRP as well, Nasdaq. Oh, by the way, guys, telling you, be there this afternoon, because this afternoon I will do the Twitch stream. So we're gonna do the giveaway for the 50 subs. We're gonna do the CFT giveaway for Mother's Day. Okay, I will pick the winners live, and we'll also unbox 500 euros worth of Pokemon cards box and see what we got inside here. Yeah, Nasdaq looks also ready. It looks ready. Let's see, an ETH. Yeah, so you're probably talking about something like that, right? Yeah, let's see. Based off, I'd like to check the daily though on AVAX. Yeah, we could retest. Yeah. Two-part question. With XRP, would you say it's a good coin to invest in for this bull? And second, where can I bid XRP? Thinking 244. Yeah, you either drop from here or go 2800 exactly, because this is a daily supply. But for XRP, we're gonna check the chart before I answer. Oh, maybe. Oh, I got stopped out on XRP. Shit. Oh, I got stopped out. I entered a bit too early, I guess. A perp down on ETH spot accumulation. We're gonna check this. For XRP, man, I wouldn't enter here. Definitely, I wouldn't enter here. Basically, because I use boxes like that, but if you take, like, I don't know, if you use a line, okay, what you see is this could be a deviation. Okay, now the price is back below it. We could have a bearish retest and then going back down like that. Okay, and so here this would be the most convenient area to beat for me, or you wait for a flip. Okay, but here definitely you don't touch it. Like, I got stopped out, okay, because I thought this was a retest. When we had the first bounce here, I thought this was a retest of the previous supply, so this could have been a breaker. And in fact, you see I got stopped out, and now we are below the level, so I don't want to touch it. I really don't want to. I'm just gonna patiently wait. Either we go back here and I long, or we flip and I long. I'd like to short, but I don't know why the market's so strong. It made it really difficult to long anything. Really difficult. So we'll see. We'll see. We also have imbalance below, and we have the high volume node. Where are the VWAPs? We talked about the VWAPs. Let's see. Yeah, okay. It's really trending. Like, it's really uptrending. So CRV, the trade is going well. We had this plan live, brothers. We had this trade live. We'll update the Discord. I called first. We did the plan. Remember, we were here. We were like here, and I told you, CRV, I'm interested to bid again around 67 cents. All right. So you see, we had the drop, we had the move. I called the long on the Discord, but the setup was made live on Twitch. Okay. Yo, Guy, how you doing, man? Mashallah for the long on BTC. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'd like to have the TP hit though, because we had TP1, but TP2 is still waiting. You know, TP2 is still waiting. So can we please just take the, can we tag the range high so I can take my TP and get out? Yeah. Your long is stacking by the market maker. I sent you on Discord. Let me check. Ah, but maybe I am the market maker. What about that? Yeah, that's good. They are protecting the entry. That's good. They are protecting it. That's really nice. But so far, do you guys want to recap to know the trades that I called yesterday or the long that I called yesterday? I closed my shorts, okay? So the short taken on BTC at 104 something got closed. I also closed ETH. I took a short, but I took for small profits, and I was in a short on Sol. I was in a short on Solana, but I took here when we lost the range high. Okay. Why do I have? What's that? What's this? Okay. Delete. Weird stuff. So yeah, I took the short here on Sol. I closed. How did your CFT Propium challenge go? Did my brother make it? No, as I said live on Twitch, I lost the two accounts. To be completely transparent, I lost the two accounts. The two accounts were in profit. Around 103 and 104. It was two 100k accounts. And I lost them because apparently I hedged my I had a trade, I don't know, I think it was because of limit orders, because it never happened to me in 2 years of trading with prop accounts. It never happened. But apparently, maybe because of limit orders, I had a long opened on an account and a short opened on the other account, so they closed the two accounts. I lost them, and I had to start again. I had to start again, unfortunately. Also wanted to add a note for you who said USDTD is redundant to BTC price action. It's true, but when BTC goes price discovery, if there are levels down on USDT dominance, it acts as a data point. I kinda agree and disagree. I kinda agree and disagree, because if BTC goes like in price discovery, then yeah, you will have data points on USDT, but USDT might also go in price discovery, but for the lows. Okay? And the other thing is, even if BTC goes price discovery, it will leave some other blocks behind and supports. So you really don't need, I'm not saying you should not use it, okay? But I'm saying it's not necessary, it's not game changer to check USDT dominance all the time. You don't need it in your trading. It's not something that you need. You can use it, but it's not something that you need. We're gonna check the CoinGlass stuff. Okay, I'm still logged in. This is good. Super shorts. Hopefully my layout is still intact. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So what do we have? Yes, spot is selling. Spot's still selling. So we might have a local top at 105. We might have a local top, guys. You see the difference between spot and futures? So guys, I swear, have your stop loss. Whatever you're doing, have your stop loss. And why the liquidation is not working? We'll check Coinbase. Yeah. So yeah, have your stop loss, whatever you're doing, because when we have a liquidation cascade, it's gonna be hard, like really hard. I know it's hard. I have been founded more than 10 times, cash out more than 5 times, but every time one moment will break your mental and you tilt. Yeah, exactly. The thing is, I didn't even tilt. I was so happy, I was so confident, because 2 accounts were in profits and I have a third account that I'm trying on a new prop firm, but I'm trying also in profits. So I was super happy, and then lost the account. I got so mad, man. I was so mad, really mad. But you know, this is what it is. I prefer to tell you, yeah, I lost 2 accounts at once. Lost the 2 of them. I was mad for like 2 3 days, like for real. I was really mad because it's hard to get funded again in a proper way without gambling and stuff. So it is what it is. Check on if it's the opposite. Yeah. Let's see. I think we test yearly open on ES and then we get our liquidation cascade. I think something is gonna come anyway. Something coming. And on if, yeah, you're right. On if it's mostly driven by spot. Yeah, very interesting actually. Very interesting. I think we should share it on X maybe. I posted something about BTC yesterday. It's not the good one. Wait. Oh, this is so annoying. You have the same issue with Brave. Like always bugs like that. You don't see on the stream, but it's always bugging. Like asking for permissions all the time. And now I just can't share a fucking screen. And this is so annoying. It's not working. Crazy. Okay, good. Now it does. Alright. Catching up. Catching up with the chair. One of the things that worry me is that hedge funds are not buying. Also, this move is not driven by a large amount of spot on BTC. Yeah, exactly what we were explaining yesterday. Exactly this. The move, we have big institutionals and hedge funds being sidelined. Hedge funds and so sorry, I was just replying to something, but yeah, hedge funds and institutionals are sidelined, and you need them anyway to go higher if you want to do new all-time high, blah blah blah. You need them. So this is why I think, and as long as we stay below an HTF resistance, and we don't have a spot coming in on BTC, then I think we get a drops sooner or later. By the way, Gimero, what do you use for the heat map? Is it CoinGlass or CoinGlass? Damn, CoinGlass. CoinGlass or Trading Light? I have tried Funden once when I won your competition. Damn. But I feel like there are some rules there that are hard to understand, like drawdown and daily drawdown and no trading news and order. Yeah, no, the drawdown and the daily drawdown are not very difficult. It's really not difficult. It's super easy to understand. Basically, the drawdown is the maximum drawdown. So let's say you have a 100k account. So this is your balance, okay? This is the 100k. 100k 100k account. Sorry, I speak French from time to time. So your drawdown will be 90 and it will never change. Okay, this is your maximum drawdown. And this will never change. Max drawdown. Okay, so whenever the account goes to 90k, you lose it. But when your balance will fluctuate, okay, so obviously you will have your capital, your balance fluctuating, okay, and profits in the negative, etc., etc. You know, it can be like that, it can be like that, okay. So the daily drawdown will just follow. So when you start, you will have a daily drawdown of 95, for example, okay, 95k daily drawdown. Okay, so when you start, the drawdown will be like that, around here. Okay, and the more you will make profits or lose or make like a negative performance, and the daily drawdown will adapt, and it will update every day. Okay, every day. So every time you will have, you see, at midnight it will update, then at midnight it will update again. And so basically your daily drawdown, so let's say at midnight you end here, okay, then your daily drawdown will be there, okay, and then you end a bit lower, then your daily drawdown will be there. Okay, so if you hit this on the daily, then you lose the account. And let's say you end the next day here, okay, so obviously you ended in good profits, so the daily drawdown will increase. Okay, it works like that, pretty easy, no? And free, okay. But what did you say and free? Because what you're talking about when you say free? I did not get the times when they reset. I thought it was standard. No, it's UTC. So be careful, because first it's UTC. It's midnight. It's 5 minutes past midnight, and it's UTC. So for example, for me, it's at 2 a.m. Also, liquidity levels are estimated and could be pulled at any moment. Yep. So is it clear? Do you understand a bit more, brother? About the drawdown and daily drawdown? Let me know so we move back to the charts. Take a screenshot if you need, anyway. You can go back on the video. Maybe I will try another. Thanks for the explanation. No problem, my pleasure, friend. Bookmap. Bookmap is good. Liquidity, yeah, okay, I saw that. I think I will have alerts, just in case. We'll have alerts. So what is interesting today? Sui is holding. Interesting. I like. Actually, I like. Guys, we like it. We like Sui now. Guys, we like Sui now. Look where it bounced. Look, pixel perfect. Boom. And now reclaiming. I really like. And we also had 0.5 right here. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. Sui doesn't look bad at all. Let's see if we can take a trade. So we're gonna do something quite simple together. We're gonna do something quite simple. Look, we're gonna go there. We're gonna remove everything. I have a suggestion for the XLP long that I took. Monday lows got tested tonight, and if you look closely on the chart, will not take Monday high, so for intraday trade. Yeah, if you are in, so basically you're suggesting to TP at Monday high if you are in. Okay, so we have a target here, here and here. Good, so it's 5.2. Keep that in mind. Correct? What's the value exactly while I am charting? Can you tell? So we could have a Sui long and target 5.2. Okay, so basically I just used the fib levels to estimate my my target. Okay, and we'll have this, right? So maybe we can take this trade together. Maybe we can take the trade together, right? Okay, good. Good. Okay, slightly below the trend. This I checked, I don't need. And we have them. Okay, and we reclaim the Monday low. That's great. That's great. So we could have a first TP here. I'll go break even. Really good. What time is it? It's 12. I'd like the price to get above the volume node here, but at the same time it will destroy my entry. Tricky. Or we could just have maybe an alert on Monday low. So if we get a retest, we can enter. Most halves have not tested Monday high, so I think like their liquidity resting for a lot. Yeah, probably. The thing, you know, the only thing that makes me less confident than usual is because some alts are looking like that. Okay, and BTC is approaching resistance level. That's the thing. That's the only thing that is. That's the thing. But I might take that one. Hype. That shit, man. Injective as well. We had this other block being retested, but we are below Monday low. When I see people buying spot ETH, maybe BTC just stay still. I'll push a little. Yeah, you're right. It makes sense, man. Makes sense. Undo also I like. We had the sweep. We are above Monday low. I really like, and also it was the plan that I shared. I shared two possibilities. Obviously, the first one got smashed. Okay, it was this, and the second one was a 97 retest. So we got it. Now let's see. I like it's looking like it looks like it's forming a bull flag or something. Link as well looks really good. Yeah, it looks really good. I might take it actually on a prop account, not with my personal, but with my prop account I might just take it. Damn. CRV Sol is in good profits. CRV Long is in good profits now. Just closed the Solana short because I had some Moonbag left. I will take Link. I'm gonna take Link. Stop loss will be perfect below 1567. And the TP will be Monday high, obviously. So around 18. Okay. Okay. What do I have here? So Sol is carrying the shorts, which is great. I'm closing it. All right, let's go. So I just took link on a prop account, guys, just so you know what I'm doing. I keep thinking my trade as its stop loss when used make that noise. Ah, sorry, I should just disable the, the sound. So yeah, I just took the link trade. I think I will post it in the Discord as well. Yeah, I might just post it in the Discord because it doesn't look that bad, to be honest, technically. It really doesn't look that bad. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Because we are above the Monday low. LFG link print for my man. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does, bro. Really hope it does. Wait, I'm just gonna try to have a very good looking chart. This should be brought back here. Very good. And this should be... Yeah, I'm a maniac. Sorry, but I like when things are clean. Perfect. It looks good like that. Really good. And the line should be... How do we increase the thickness of the lines? Do you know, guys? Is it possible? Oh, line width. Okay, medium. Okay, perfect. Oh, now it looks good. We have a very clean shot. Sorry, guys, I had to sneeze. Line width. Yeah, perfect. It looks good like that. Looks good. Looks really good. I like this shot. I really like it. How do you know when it's retesting Monday low or that the move was a flip outside the range and it's going back in? You cannot know. you can't know, but for here it looks like a flip because this is a high medium time frame. It's 8 hours. All right, so we had a sweep. Okay, then it has a close above, and then now we're closing again above. So we are way above. And if you want more confirmation, you can look at H4 and you see we had 1, 2, 3 candle closing above, okay, and a pixel perfect retest right here. So for me, I consider that as a flip of the Monday low. Definitely as a flip of the Monday low. And if we close inside the range again, so below the range high, if we close back inside it, then it would be definitely a potentially reintegration in the range, and this would be a short trigger. Absolutely. Just want to check the risk reward because I have to type down all these informations when I post a call. Actually, it's not that bad, but it's not that great. Maybe you could aim for the... Yeah, it was right in the supply here. Crazy how it worked. If we check H12, maybe you can find... You know what? Easy mode. Easy mode. So we're gonna target this. 1844. Based on the fibs. Okay. What's BTC doing? Nothing. Okay. We're gonna have alerts at Monday high though. Oh yeah. Nice. What do you think about hype? Crazy strong, crazy project, good fundamentals. Way above the pack. Yes. La 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 la. So let's see how Link plays out this afternoon. I don't think we have news, so we should be in peace. Yeah, we don't really care about that. Looks good. Looks good, man. I like these ones. But can you have a look at RSR 8 map? I can only see the tree north. The tree north? Wait, just let me pause this. On here. Link idea from stream. Monday low we tested after it got swept. Holding there. Target Monday high at least. And I will just drop this on the Discord. Just give me a second. Link USDT. Monday high. Okay, and we good. Okay, I'm back. Pump is coming, you think so? We're close to a daily golden cross on daily. On what? On RSR? Oh, you said you want the heat map, right? You want the heat map. I'm not sure they have it though. Oh, they have, okay. Yeah, I don't have 6 month 1 year though. Maybe there is not a history, enough history, man. Anyway, you see, if you start to look at the weekly, you can clearly see the liquidity is dry on the south. Utilise ce site, quel site? And on, for like intraday, this is what you got. On intraday, you see. The website above, I cannot see the links in the chat, guys. You have to type the name of the website, please. Because I cannot see the name on the website. It's not weird, maybe it's a premium feature. Or maybe it's maybe they don't have the history. Yeah, you see, because for BT there is, so maybe there is not enough history. Check width. Width is interesting. Width is interesting. It was on Binance, I think. I had something on Binance. Yeah. You see we had the blue box, but I didn't take it because I was exposed. No, I don't see Jaja. I don't see. So with same, it was a plan shared on stream during Monday live. No, even I think it was even on Wednesday. On Wednesday, so if you attend the stream, you always have the entries before the move happens. All right, and you had it perfect. What's up, Cappy? Hope you're doing well, man. Ouais, Jaja, coupe ton lien en deux ou mets le nom du site. Donne-moi juste le nom et t'inquiète, je vais trouver. Mais ne mettez pas de lien. Don't send links in the chat. I cannot see the links. You have to type the names of the website when you want to share something. Same setup, just missed my tree all because I was AFK. Ah, you had the same setup on Wi-Fi. Yeah, it looks really good. We filled the imbalance. You had that SR flip. Everything was perfect on Wi-Fi, to be honest. So if you took it, congrats. Non, mais je vois toujours pas. Je vois toujours pas. Je vois toujours pas. Juste vraiment, donne-moi juste le nom du site. Je sais pas si c'est. Par exemple, si c'est google.com, au lieu de m'envoyer google.com, tu m'envoies juste Google, tu vois. C'est genre, c'est tout. Ou si c'est, je sais pas. Par exemple, Coinalyze, bah au lieu de m'envoyer Coinalyze, HTTP machin, tu m'envoies juste Coinalyze. Tu vois ce que je veux dire? Yeah, Whiff looks good, guys. What else? Undo, we talked about it. Link with... Oh, AVAX as well. AVAX, I am in a trade. I am in a long on AVAX already. Okay, I am already in. Maybe I should add to the prop. No, I already have it. Yeah, as you can see, AVAX looks good. Chart Kiyotaka. C'est quoi ça? À kiyotaka.ai on the book heatmap. Ah, mais faut créer un compte. Bah, je regarderai ça après le live. Je vais regarder après le live. Je vais jeter un œil. Ça peut être intéressant. Tao is still far away from the area of interest. Oh, Aptos, you had a perfect retest of the line. Okay. Too late. You didn't take it. I think it's too late. I saw a tweet with Link. Are you in? Or what are you waiting for to take this trade? Yeah, I am in. I sent it in the Discord, Cappy. He just sent it in the Discord. And I will even... Attends, à lire. I will even update the active trades with it. Link USDT. No problem, no problem. Alerts EMA cross above EMA 200 at 4 AM. Okay, nice. Nice. That's crossed. Just need to update my alerts on BTC. That's perfect. I will just, so guys, I will have a feature like this in the Discord just so you can take a look. It's alerts based off my custom indicator, but basically we'll have this. Okay, so you can see. So even if you're not looking at the chart, if you don't do anything, then you can have the alerts when you have bullish, bearish crosses. The link cannot be shared in the comment section. No, you can't. Send me a DM because you have my my Discord. Look at Celo for a shitcoin. Pretty interesting chart. Yeah, we had the break of structure. That's good. Not being rude, just trying to learn, but as Link is still in a M15 downtrend, we should not wait for a break of structure. It's not rude at all, brother. It's absolutely not rude. Okay, you share your view. But what is the difference that you notice between your M15 chart and my chart? Tell me the major difference, because this is exactly why I'm not following M15 BOS or whatever. Just let me know what's the main difference. And you know, if you have a different idea than mine, never consider it can be rude. It's exactly the purpose of what I'm doing the streams, so we can have interactions, we can share different ideas and opinions. With Trader CL, for example, he entered ADA yesterday. I told him that I didn't agree with it. He also had, and so the price went down to my entry, but also I wanted to enter XRP, and he said he doesn't agree. He had an entry lower, and he was right. I was wrong. You see, so we have interactions. We all learn. Hey guys, can you see me again? I think yes. I just need to connect with the chat again. Give me a second, please. I'm back. Okay. Thank you. Sorry for the crash. I don't know what happened. A 10K PC, but app is crashing. Yeah, definitely. I don't understand why it crashes. It almost never happened. Like it never happens. Web3 Dinox. I don't know the difference. Just that it means in a downtrend since Tuesday, and I thought I should be looking for a break of structure. You're absolutely right to do that. The only difference is that you're looking at M15 and I'm looking, it's a large difference. I'm looking at H8, even looking at H12. You see, I was looking at this and you're looking at M15. Okay, because if you look at H12, you're in an uptrend. And obviously if you look at small movements, then it's not really the case. All right, it just depends. And if you play with M15, the trade is not going to be the same. My trade is, it's like, I might hold it for a few days. If you trade on M15, basically you're looking to get out within a few hours. So it's not really the same trade, the same trading style. If I'm taking that trade, I'm thinking I'm fine, like holding it for maybe 2 days, something like that. That's the main difference. So yeah, we're looking at CeeLo. 0.5 just here. High volume node just here. We have the break of structure. You see the same, for example, on CeeLo here, you have the break of structure, H12. So if you look at H12, obviously you're not gonna pay attention to the micro movements that you have on M15. Okay, and don't forget that HCF always prevails over LTF. And the higher probabilities that you will have taking a trade is when you have, for example, if you want to long high probs, okay. If you want to long with high probability, the best thing is to have LTF bullish and HTF bullish as well. Okay, if you tick both, okay, then you're good. And exact same thing with the shorts. If you want to take a short with high probability, then you want to look at LTF bearish and at HTF bearish. Okay, So if you take a short, pay attention to this. Okay, if you take a long, pay attention to this. Okay, and you will have higher probabilities to hit your TP. Okay, if you manage the risk, you can discuss your ideas, but trust your gut. In the end, then you will win if you take notes of what went wrong, so you don't make the same mistake. Exactly. Can I short BC from 104, stop loss above 104.2? We're gonna check that in a minute. Thanks. I was more thinking of entry point, but I understand what you're saying. And yeah, for M15, keep in mind for M15 for like entry point, M15 is great if you trade. For example, if you look at if you trade on H1, if you trade on H1, then definitely you look at M15 for an entry. Absolutely, you're right. But for example, if you trade on the weekly, okay, if you trade weekly movement, so mostly swing, you're not gonna really take a look at M15 for an entry. Okay, if you trade, let's say on the daily, you're gonna look for an entry on H12, H4. If you trade on H1, you're gonna look at M30, M15, maybe even M5. It all depends what time frame you're using for the setup. Weekly sell idea with deviation and now looking to enter on small time frame. What kind of small time frame? M15? Because we're talking about it, or more like H1 or something. But yeah, keep that in mind all the time. We still have a lot of imbalance left. So flip the rest. Yeah, it looks good on the daily because we broke the structure on the daily. So it looks good. No, I cannot see the link. Guys, I can't see the links posted in the chat. I'm not able to see the links, unfortunately. It's CFT settings. I cannot change it. I don't want to change it. I mean, if it's not what they want. Entry was good here. I would have an entry here. I don't know if it's what you have, but on the golden pocket, like an entry here would be nice. Trader, okay, let's see. Why did you send it? I didn't, I don't see it. Ah, okay, I got it, Good. Okay, so slight pullback with deviation. Oh, it looks good. Yeah, it looks really clean on the weekly. Yeah, like that, it looks really clean. Wait. Yeah, looks really clean. Deviation and the weekly close above. Yeah, looks good. Good cash, bro, as usual. Personal question: how do you manage your cash out on CFT? The 100% week profit limit or profit target? No, what I learned from experience is that every time I am in good profits, so above like 1K, every time I above 1K, I just cash out. Just cash out. I like the weekly add-on, the weekly payouts. So basically, every week you just withdraw. You just withdraw your money. Whatever, it's 2K, 3K, 4K, 5K, whatever. You just, every week you just cash out. Every time you can cash out, you do. This is why now, since I lost my account with the hedge stuff that happened, I bought two separate accounts. Instead of one 200K, I have two 100. So I can cash out on one and I can keep trading on the other one because you know there is a delay. So now my strategy is that instead I withdraw on one account, I will withdraw on one. And you know, when you withdraw, you lose the account for like 24 hours or 48 hours. So I will keep one account so I can trade with it during that time lapse. And then when I get the other one, I withdraw on the other one. When I get back the other one, I withdraw on the other one. That's my strategy now. I think it's more comfortable. So you don't have to sit on the screen and wait for like, sometimes it takes up to 2 days before you get your account back. So, but guys, I didn't see the time. It will be the end of the stream. But don't forget, we're gonna be live together again this afternoon on Twitch for the US session. We're gonna do the giveaway. I repeat, we're gonna do the sub giveaway. We're gonna do the CFT prop account giveaway as well, and we're going to open the Pokemon boxes. So basically 500 euros of Pokemon cards. But you win one trade, 1% risk-free risk reward. You stop it and cash out after 7 days. Yeah, but I'm more like, I take a lot of scalps, so I take more than one trade when within a week. Last time my weekly payout was 5k or something. So 5k a week, I take it, man. I definitely take it. It all depends. If you're not happy with if you don't want to withdraw, let's say, I don't know, like if you don't want to withdraw 2k, it's up to you, man. Personally, the 2k I take them. You know, if I can pay my rent in just a week of trading, I do it. You know what I mean? Ouais, c'est plutôt au feeling. Ouais, c'est du feeling, mais après, comme je te disais, si genre à la fin de la semaine, je peux withdraw, mais que j'ai 800 balles de profit, ça va pas m'intéresser forcément. Ça va pas m'intéresser de perdre 2 jours, parce qu'en 2 jours, je peux faire le double, tu vois. Donc ça va pas m'intéresser. Par contre, si je suis à 2-3K et que je peux withdraw, je vais les withdraw en général. Je vais les cash out. Velo trade last week paid yearly salary, so I would be happy with 5k a week. Yeah, 5k a week, man, is insane. Trader CL, when do you use bluffing? I'm waiting for you on bluffing. Bro is gonna print yearly salaries with my ref link. Can I short BC? Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. I was talking about the Propium stuff. So 104. 104 with a stop loss. You see the problem is if you short 104, stop loss at 104.2 has high chances to be taken. Okay, personally I would have stop loss here if you take your short, or I would wait higher to short and I would have a stop loss below that high. Okay, so basically I would have something like this, just so you can see. Here, either you have something like that, okay, with a stop here, okay, or you have a short here at 104, as you said, because you said you want to short 104, and you have a stop loss here, okay, at 104.4. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna leave you here. It's gonna be lunchtime, and don't forget 4 p.m. today. So in 4 hours we go live on Twitch and we do all the stuff that I talked about. Okay, guys, and we will update also the trades that we took together. So thank you for attending this morning. It was nice. It was super nice. Thank you. I like these mornings. How much you get in percent if I trade on bluffing? So I take 20k trade, you get 200 or something. I'm not sure because I have I can send you the details, Trader CL on Twitter. I will send you the details. I don't really pay that much attention, you know. It was more for fun, but yeah, if you want to support using bluffing, I'm not gonna refuse, you know. But I'm not really into that at that extent. But I will check and I will share you the details. And anyway, if you plan to go there to try, I will make sure that you get a nice reward. I will milk them. All right, so see you this afternoon, everyone. See you this afternoon. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care. Don't forget, have your stop loss. We said, we explained why. We explained why. Don't forget your stop loss. Don't be greedy. Okay, everyone. So thank you very much. See you this afternoon. Bye bye. I hope I see you guys there. I really hope I see you guys. Bye bye, everyone. Cheers.